Hey, we hope you are fine. Here's a small video to explain how to decrease the risk of spreading COVID-19. What is the COVID-19 pandemic? The global pandemic began with the spread of an infectious disease caused by the late discovered coronavirus, COVID-19. It was unknown before until the first outbreak in Wuhan, in China. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of the virus can range from mild to severe. It can show through a simple fever or cough, but can also become more serious and result in shortness of breath, breathing complication, and in certain cases, death. How is it transmitted? The disease can be transmitted through respiratory droplets when you cough or sneeze. These droplets can stay for some time on objects, surfaces, or on the hands. That is why it is important to avoid close contacts. Who is considered vulnerable? It is the case for people over 65 years old. It is also the case for a person who suffers from diabetes, chronic diseases of the respiratory tract, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, or immune deficiency. How to protect yourself and others? The best way to prevent the spread of the virus is to wash your hands regularly with soap and water or with alcohol-based hand rub. As your hands touch many objects through the day and can be contaminated, avoid touching your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. When you sneeze or when you cough, it is important to cover your mouth and nose with your elbow or with a disposable tissue. Social distancing. You should avoid crowded places and gathering of all kinds for the time of the quarantine. It means avoiding close contacts, parties, and religious gatherings. In addition to that, you should try to keep a distance of 2 meters between you and others whenever it is possible. Cover your mouth and nose in order to prevent the droplets to spread. If available, you can use a mask. If you don't have one, use a scarf or a bandana. It is now necessary to wear those in public places such as public transport or grocery shops. That is to say, where the safety distance of 2 meters cannot be respected. If possible, stay home. If you have symptoms, you can inform the staff in the camp. You should also seek medical care early. Either call your doctor or the dedicated COVID-19 hotline. If you have symptoms and doubt you might have the virus, you can also go to the advanced care centers. There are 4 in the country, in Kirchberg, Belval, Ettelbruck, and in Grevenmacher. It is free of charge. You just need to bring your social security card and an identity document. If your life is at risk, you can call the emergency number, which is 112. Is there a treatment against COVID-19? For now, there are no specific treatment or specific vaccine. The research is still ongoing. You can check out other videos to stay informed. Stay safe, and we hope to see you soon.